Education? Oh.
It's over there.
Очень много just a little bit.
Yes.
And then you can wipe it off with water. But on the outside, not nothing inside.
Or else it won't look very appealing. Food's gonna taste soapy.
Okay.
Okay, this is done.
Okay, now I'm going to put this on the pan. Ooh, get my napkin. This is napkin?
Yeah?
Okay. Ooh.
Oh, do you want me?
Wait, put here? Okay. Ooh, ew.
Okay, what else is that one?
That's okay. Okay, now for the moment of truth. And the moment of truth could be bad, could be good. Okay, this is this way, okay, this is this way. This goes this way. Moment of truth could be bad, could be good. It doesn't. Okay, this one on side, but this not going well. Okay, I need to file it down more. This is not going in. The bottom part went in. But this, how about this one? This part here, goes in. Okay, maybe I need to file it more.
Yeah. You do?
Okay.
Papa, where are you going?
I have to file it to ship the fish. It doesn't fit well.
Papa, come back. Why are you leaving me?
I have to work here.
Papa, come back. You're making me feel lonely. Why don't you file it here? File it. Papa, please.
See, you know what? It's really you do it second time we can record it too. Well, when you know what we're doing. First time it's stressful. Do it with the camera.
Okay. Okay.